This video is about the 300 window. As I told y'all, somebody broke in it and broke my window. So I already started, did most of the work. I'm just gonna show y'all right quick what's needed to be done to actually replace it. So I took this out already. What you're gonna need to do is, roll your window down. The hard part is, like, say if you're going to get a window from the junkyard. I ordered it off eBay because I didn't want to have to go through the bull crap, and it was tinted, so like, why not? So I ain't had to get another tinted window, but you're gonna have to get it down enough to where you can get those out. I just took the speaker out so you can get to it. It's 2 bolts right here, so you could take this front piece off. As you can see, right there, and this one behind here, inside of there. Okay, you gotta break that open. But I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can wiggle the window through here. If you do go to the junkyard, you can use like a little, I think it's a battery terminal or something like that. I gotta get all the glass and everything out. Yeah, it's just like a battery terminal. What do they call it? A drill battery or something like that to get it out. It's very simple. I thought it was harder than it was, but it's actually very simple. You gotta disconnect the door. Then you get all the glass out. It's very simple. So whenever I go get the window, I'm gonna clean out all this glass and everything when I get back from getting the window, because it got shipped somewhere else. Well, I used to be in the shelter once upon a time, guys, and that's still my billing address, but I just changed it because I just moved recently. But I'm going to go pick it up from there. That'll be it. My car a little junky right now. I mean, y'all have seen it this way before, but got some more of those because the ones that's on here were trash from the beginning. Those came from a white car. I don't know, it's just a process right now. We're gonna get there, guys. Just don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. We're gonna get there. The vacuum I'm using, I can't get all of it out. So I just got as much as I could out right now. I mean, I ain't gonna kill nothing. And it's holes at the bottom, so for the most part it'll come out. But it's the window right here. Let me get it out this plastic with the tin on it. So let's go ahead and get this window in here. Get back at y'all. So it actually was easier than I thought. It went right into place. So you gotta turn it down. You gotta turn it down, turn this part down and then drop the other side in behind it. Real simple. And it just line right up. Tighten a little bit just to down there all the way. I'm gonna tighten it. And, That's that. It seems like it's something holding it, like going down this round. We're gonna figure that out right quick. So it's on there. I think that's as good as we're gonna get with it. You gotta remember my battery probably dead too, so I ain't not dead, but it probably don't got that much juice anyway, so I think this goes like this, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, baby. So like that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put my speaker back in and put the door back on and we done. Alright, so everything is everything. I was just cleaning out the car and everything. I just gotta get the stuff off the window. Whatever, but that's just gonna stay there. And I'll put the radio, you know, stock head unit back in. I'll take the pieces out of that whenever I'm ready. So, 1 second, I'm gonna turn it down. So that's gonna complete the whole video. Just a quick installation of a window. Right now we just waiting on the cylinder head from the machine shop, which he said he waiting for a guide. He said it was gonna be a week. I called today to, you know, see what was up. He said he need a guide, so that's what we're waiting on. Please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell, guys, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Roll the 1K. We're gonna get there for the end of the year, guys. That's the goal for this year. So please subscribe.